Mbunge ya bururi nĩtabanirie giikaro kia mwanya kiria kiretetio ni Speaker Justin Muturi niguo gucakaya uria wari president wa gatatu wa bururi uyu Emilio Mwai Kibaki kurumirira gikuo giake kiumia kihituku aingi magitugiria wathani wa president Kibaki ta gukorwo ariguo wanakorwo mwega muno bururi-ini.
But Mr. Speaker, I also want to remember President Kibaki more in regards to the economy. Across all dimensions of the economy, President Mwai Kibaki's legacy, Mr. Speaker, is towering.
A man, if you remember, Honorable Speaker, who came into power and refused to be called mtukufu, and is the one who introduced the term mheshimiwa for president.
Honorable Speaker, the late Honorable Mwai Kibaki goes down in history as the greatest president since independence that this country has ever had. He is an economist par excellence, a Democrat par excellence.
Giikaro giki kihanekire o riria ri thiku ya gatatu ya mwiri wa president Kibaki gukoma ciikaro-ini cia Ambunge niguo kuruta mweke kuri muingi kumugukira uhoro. Ambunge ni monekire kuiyukia murugamo umwe wa gutugiria wathani wa president Kibaki. Aingi nginya makiririkana uria manakuruhana nake hindi ya wathani wake iguru ria kihiri gia tabarira cia uthii wa nambere iria akinyaniirie.
And I remember, Honorable Speaker, the third president inviting us, because he was the chairman of DP, inviting us for a meeting with all the aspirants who are contesting for the Kieni parliamentary seat. And I remember him asking me, young man, you seem that you are a young man and you are contesting for this seat, but we are beseeching you, that time calling me Mathenge, that a time will come when you will be elected as a member of parliament. So consensus, Honorable Speaker, did not just start the other day.
No na kuri uguo mirugamo ngurani ya kiuteti gatagati ka Ambunge ni yumiririe hindi ya giikaro giki guku aingi makihinyiriria ati no atongoria ngwataniro ciao cia kiuteti mari na uhoti wa kurehe uthii wa nambere ta uria warehirwo ni mutigairi president Kibaki.
President Mwai Kibaki never did business with government when he was president of Kenya. And I want to say, Mr. Speaker, that it is actually criminal for this regime to every time keep on comparing their performance with that of President Mwai Kibaki. It is an insult, Mr. Speaker, to his legacy. There is no comparison. We can only contrast.
Together with the Right Honorable Prime Minister, they were able to steer this country to a situation of unity that had not been seen before, to exponential growth, and to put the foundations for legislative and constitutional reform.
Maya ni oriri mwiri wa mutigairi president Kibaki utirihire thiku ithatu cia gukoma ciikaro-ini cia Mbunge niguo kuhe mweke atongoria na muingi kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi kumwona na kuruta gitio kiao kia muthia mbere ya mitha ya mathiko ma kibururi maria gatabanirio gatano ga kiumia giki kiharo-ini kia Nyayo guku Nairobi na thutha ucio hurukio gwake mucii mwena wa uthii kaunti-ini ya Nyeri muthe wa Jumamothi. Ngirivotera Kameme TV Titago Moura Wagunya.